Welcome to Fordeer's channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable guides, fresh updates, expert tips, and exclusive deals.
What are variables? Variables are dynamic texts that change based on various factors such as user input, database values, or other conditions. This text is not static, but rather updates dynamically to provide personalized or contextually relevant information to users. Adding variables eliminates the need for manual updates, saving you time and ensuring accuracy.
Today, we will show you how to add variables to the content of label badge text with Fordeer Product Labels and Badges. Let's get started. First, create a text label campaign and add your content as guided in the previous tutorial video. Then, navigate to the Design tab. Click on the three dots and choose the Variables option. We provide a range of variables for tailoring your labels, including discount percentage, inventory, product variants, and more. If you want to highlight low product inventory to create a sense of urgency, you can opt for the inventory variable. The label will dynamically adjust based on your product stock. For example, if your inventory indicates only 2 items left, the label will automatically display only 2 left. Complete the remaining customizations, choose conditions for displaying, and remember to save your campaign. That's it. With variables, your labels will automatically update with relevant product information, saving you time and effort. If you encounter any issues or have questions during the setup process, feel free to contact us via our app's live chat, email, or leave a comment here. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.